So that would be your ounces, 1.28 ounces. Okay, so there we go.
Mm-hmm.
Want to try one more?
Okay, for this year part, we also do the same how we did to like step 4, or do we add for the year?
Say that one more time.
For the year, do we add like from the egg, sugar and vanilla, or do we just separate them like for step 3 and we do it on step 4?
So there would be two ways to do this.
Mm-hmm.
One, well, can we do the vanilla together first, and then we'll do that part?
Oh, yes.
Okay. So for step 1, what do we do for the vanilla?
We are multiplying. We are multiplying 3. Huh?
Yeah, so actually we're not multiplying anything because there's no pounds here. It's all ounces.
Okay.
So we're just scooting that number over. That stays 3 ounces.
Okay.
Okay. And then for step 3, go ahead and do that.
Now we multiply 3 times point 3 times point